because obviously stones can't touch. We don't want them miles apart either. I'm going to be filing a flat on this one and tucking it right up. I like the idea of it being just under the stone ever so slightly. Put one flat on it. That's my top of my collet. Putting a flat on at that angle. So taking the bottom half away. Take your time doing this. Don't go too steep straight away. Do a little bit. Make sure you're filing it right dead in the middle. Right, when it comes to putting these on, I've filed the flat on there. See that? I've got the angle I want, so it sits kind of how I want it to sit at this angle. But where the stone, that's fitted for the stone sitting like vertically, but the pieces are not going together vertically, they're going to go like that, which kind of creates a gap between them. Do you know what I mean? Like they're not flat like that. They're not flat. This one sits like that, so it kind of makes, as they open up, it creates a gap in between the stones. So you have to file this one in a bit more than you might initially imagine. So I've got that angle on there now, and I'm just going to try and take it in, like with my file. I've got this angle, and I'm going to go in a little bit just to close up that gap. Alright, this is difficult holding it in the camera. They're not going together flat, they're going like this. So as they're like that, it opens up, so there's a gap between the two girdles now. So now I'm going to bring that one in, so shoving that stone up right up to that one. I thought I'd better show you this. Look, you've got to file away more than you imagine. Like, look at that, it looks like I filed it right away. What? You filed half of it away? Yes, I did. But bear in mind, that's going against another flat bit of metal, so that's, when that's soldered on, that's just solid metal there, past there. So let me show you. This is 10 times harder through looking through a camera. Oh, come on, sort it out. Alright, holding it flat. Holding it flat, holding the pieces horizontal, the girdle of that pear shape goes right over the edge. So that's no good, it's going to hit the other stone, but then when I tilt it back, it rocks right back. So it's out of the way again. So, to get... Oh, come on! To get the angle I wanted there, that's how much I had to file it away for the stones to be able to go next to each other.